make you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you...
Hi friends! Thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I am going to speed clean my kitchen. This is pretty much a routine that I do every night before going to bed, except on the day that I get up late from work. But for the most part, this is my nighttime kitchen cleaning routine. I hope you clean along with me so we can tackle that mess in your house as well, or your to-do list that's waiting for you to check it off. Let's do this! If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome! Thank you for stopping by and clicking in today's video. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for lots of cleaning motivations and tons of home organization. I upload new video every single week. I did put away my Halloween decor about a week ago and put up my fall decor. I am feeling the Christmas spirit already. I'm just not ready to decorate for Christmas yet. But I know I want my Christmas tree up before Thanksgiving. I want that day to feel festive. My mother-in-law always celebrates Thanksgiving and Christmas with us, and she cooks the dinner for my family. But she passed away about a few months ago, and it was just so sad to think that she wouldn't be here with us this year and for the next coming years.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me
I keep moving the pumpkins because I am really not liking how it looks, so at the end I end up changing the tray. To clean up and wipe down my counter, I am using my DIY granite cleaner, which is mix of water, alcohol, and dish soap. This kitchen island has becoming a catch-all. We end up leaving everything on here and it piles up really fast, so I like to clean up and tidy this up every night before we go to bed.
about everything that he likes and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me.
On the weekdays, I always leave my son's laptop here and some of his school supplies because he does homeschool and he does it here on my kitchen counter because my son have ADD, so we have to watch him when he does school because if we don't, then he ends up not focusing and not doing school at all, so we have to keep an eye on him every time he's doing schoolwork.
I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter.
My gas stove tends to get greasy when I'm cooking, so to clean this, I'm just using my dish soap and water, also scrubbing it with my dish sponge. And then to get all the grease out, I'm wiping it with dry paper towel because I don't want those grease to go on my reusable cleaning cloth. And then after that, I wipe this down with my normal cleaning cloth with just regular water. And then to make this shiny, I use my withme cleaner, and it ends up looking super shiny, guys.
When it's dark, I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long.
I do vacuum my floor every single day because I do have two big German shepherds that sheds a lot, especially at this time of the year, so vacuuming my floor every day is a must.
You know we should work it out before I'm too invested. I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet.
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home. If you like and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. If you wanna follow and connect with me, my Instagram account link is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!